we want to use chat GPT models like GPT 4.0 and 4.1.
Okay.
These were the models we tested. And we want to use Slack as an interaction tool
Okay.
and debug issues in ArgoCD. So that is the background of it.
Okay.
So ArgoCD is capable of sending notifications to Slack. It may not be Slack, it could be email, Teams, or WhatsApp even.
Okay. So since we are extra, we are using only Gmail, so we do not have Teams or Slack or anything.
Okay,
So,
we can create a Slack workspace for you if you want.
okay, is it possible to integrate to Gmail or only it's?
Yeah. It doesn't matter what
Okay.
interaction tool you have. The only requirement we have is it should have threads. That's
Okay.
so since every email is a thread in itself, we can put email instead of or Gmail instead of Slack.
Okay.
Or alternatively, we can create your own Slack workspace.
Okay.
Um, because Slack has more interactive look and feel
Okay.
um, than Gmail.
Yeah. Okay.
So suppose this is one DevOps guy. He looks at Slack and sees that notification and wonder what's going on. And he collaborates with other people and tries to respond to this.
Okay.
But won't it be nice to have this black box in between that can talk to and some kind of an intelligence like an LLM like ChatGPT? Right now we are using ChatGPT, but if you want, we can use some other LLM agent with a little bit of customization work. LLM would respond, and that response would go back to Slack.
Slack. Okay.
So what we thought was, wouldn't it be nice to have something here? So that was the inspiration to create Argonaut.
Okay.
So the Argonaut has all these connections. It can talk to ArgoCD. It can talk to the Kubernetes cluster. It can talk to Git, whether this is GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, as long as it is Git type.
Okay. Okay.
In any Git types.
Okay.
It can interact with Slack back and forth. It can read from Slack and it can write to Slack.
Slack. Okay.
And it can give prompts to the LLM, and it can get responses from LLM.
Okay.
And we are providing a database. It could be Elastic. It could be just a file system. We can integrate other databases if you want.
Okay.
And the data here can be used to train the model also in the future.
Okay. So Elasticsearch, right?
Yeah, we can use Elasticsearch or plain files, whichever you
Okay.
want.
Okay. Okay.
Or we can put other databases also. For now, only Elastic and a file system are two methodologies that we use for storing data.
Okay.
And then other things like Grafana, Prometheus, or Kibana, these can also send messages to Slack.
Okay.
So this part also exists.
Okay.
So what is the user here? User can post messages directly to Slack, or run commands, or give a thumbs up or thumbs down response.
Okay.
So if it's a good answer, we encourage users to respond with thumbs up, and the thumbs up will later help in this training sessions.
Okay.
So this training part we haven't built out yet. It is something we are planning for the future. So that's why we are having this thumb up or thumb down system.
Okay.
Any questions so far?
No. Good.
And now let me directly jump into Slack. So here is our Slack, and in the Slack we have a channel called ChatGPT channel.
Okay.
So in this channel is talking to Argonaut. Huh?
Oh, okay.
So so
Yeah,
this is
Slack is. Mm,
so this is where we are. This is talking to Argonaut.
okay.
Huh? And this Slack, the first message could be from a user,
Mhm.
from any user, even Anup, for example, can come and act here. So whoever is a member of this channel can post here.
Okay.
So a lot of times, so what happens, Krishna, is that if two people are working and trying to debug an issue, they both connect to the cluster using kubectl or lens or something, right? Huh?
Yeah. Yes, you're right. Yeah.
And one person runs a command and tries to debug, the other person is trying to do something else, then they don't know what each other are doing, right?
Yeah. Yes, you're right. Yeah.
But if you work in Slack or mail, then they know
Mhm.
what each person is doing, right? So they don't step on each other's toes, they can use the results of the other person, right?
Yes, you're right. So is it possible like a group or something? Create a group and
Yeah,
uh,
yeah,
configure that so that everyone would know what
yeah. So
commands that we are running.
yeah, so this channel, for example, has these members.
Okay.
Any of these members can post messages and read messages in this channel.
Okay.
So if you don't want somebody to run commands, don't put them in this channel.
Okay. So is there any uh, any restriction can we have provided to the group user level, like they can only read and they cannot able to write, run, or any command, something like that? Is there any?
All people in this channel have the same permissions.
Okay. Okay.
If you want lesser permissions, create another channel and
Okay.
give people lesser permissions in that channel.
Okay. Okay.
So in a channel, all users are equal.
Okay. Mhm.
So I just said hi to this, to our Argonaut. So
Okay.
now it says so whenever the not replies, it replies with not,
Okay.
starts with not. So that's how you know it is uh, from not. Or if you want to talk to other people, suppose I want to talk to one person called Tejaswini. Okay, so I can say not. Did you run anything? I can ask Tejaswini. So then the model Argonaut will not reply.
Okay.
Argonaut will not reply to itself.
Yeah. Yes. Because we are just mentioning some other people that we're asking that they run anything or something like that.
Uh, so Tejaswini is replying. Uh, I'll tell her. See, she did not use not.
Yeah. So okay. The not
So
got not
so that's
replied.
why it replied.
Mhm. Okay.
Uh, so I can tell not. Please use not for private messages. I can tell Tejaswini that.
Mhm. Okay.
So let's ask it one more question. What is your name?
Mhm.
Gives a reply. So it also gives a conversational page. So these are all the conversations between you and Argonaut.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
this is called the system message, and this is the message that I sent. What is your name? See that?
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Mhm.
And so it replied. Its replies you can see here.
Yeah. Okay. My name is Argonaut.
So if there is a command, you have to run not. Huh?
Okay.
So that's what it is saying. But my name is Argonaut. ArgoCD. It considers itself great.
Okay.
How can you assist today? Huh? So if I don't
Mhm.
know what to do, I can try help. So one help will give you what all you can do. Not this is assistant. Huh?
Mhm.
So it tells you that use caution and and there is a flag called auto run. It can be false or true.
Okay.
If auto run is true, it will run commands by itself. It won't wait for you
Yeah,
to.
yeah, I saw in that video by setting up auto run true or false.
Exactly.
Mhm.
So in this thread, this is called a thread in the channel. So,
Mhm.
so in this thread, it knows what you're doing. So
Okay.
if you ask it something else in the channel, that is a separate thread.
Okay.
So threads are independent. So that's what
Okay. Mhm.
it is saying here. Context is preserved in threads. Same with
Okay.
email. The context is preserved only within the email, not in separate emails.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Okay.
A different email, different context.
Mhm.
So you can use run to run a command. You can say summarize to get a summary of the whole conversation.
Mhm.
And we put some shortcuts like git fix to fix
Git.
use in git pr to create a pr, git merge to merge the pr, so on
Mhm.
and so. So these are basically all capitals. If you run some key commands, then it processes differently than if you just type an answer. You're
Mhm.
with me so far?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Good.
Any questions so far?
No. I'm good with this.
So now auto run is disabled, and I will go through this conversation that we had with Argonaut.
Mhm. Okay.
So this question was initiated by me, and I
Mhm.
want to figure out what is wrong with this application called Bad Service App.
Okay.
So then it gives me a link where I can follow the conversation, like I showed you here
Conversation. Yeah.
earlier. Like,
Yes.
so you can see what
Mhm.
is going on in the conversation,
Mhm.
and it suggests a command. A command could be a simple command like this, or OCD CLI command, huh?
Mhm.
Or a
Okay.
complex command. It can pipe the output of that into this command and pipe the
Okay.
output of that into this command. It could be a
Mhm.
compound command, if you will.
Okay. Yeah.
You are
Mhm.
with me so far?
Yeah. Yes. Thank good. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. Just grabbing or filtering or particular name or something like that.
correct.
For that particular app. Yeah.
Yeah. So simple commands or compound commands.
Mhm.
Then you hit run or UN, then
Okay.
it runs the command. And
Mhm.
whatever the command output is, we will start with tool. Hmm.
Okay.
Because AI agents have a concept called tool. No? So
Okay.
that's why we adapted this. So this tool tells you what the command was and what the command output was.
Okay.
So this is the command output,
Okay.
quite a big JSON, right?
Yeah. 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 The output of that bad app service.
Uh, and uh, uh, it took that command and it makes some suggestions,
Mhm.
and it also tells you what the issue is. The issue is that the bad service resource, which is out
And
of sync,
it's an
is
invalid
because
port.
invalid port value 80A. Huh?
Mhm. Okay.
So I ask it, give me the link to the repo, include the branch and path in in the repo. So this is the repo, this is the branch, and this is the path. So it tells me
Okay.
all the information. So then
Mhm.
I ask it to fix it. So fix it
Okay.
by changing the port to 80. So with git fix, I have to
Mhm.
give what I have to fix.
Okay.
So it needs in what you would be call an argument for a command, right?
Yeah. Yes. You're right. Yeah.
So what it says, it asks is to run this command. It wants to clean up this workspace if it exists,
Workspace
and
okay.
close this repo. So this is what we did after 2.0. We're going to publish this 3.0 soon. So
Okay.
this is like a 3.0 feature where you can actually fix the issues.
Okay.
So in 2.0 you have only diagnosis.
Yeah.
In
Yeah. I
3
saw it. Yeah.
in 3.0 we have fix also.
Okay.
So
Yeah. It's quite interesting. We
uh,
do not want to go to the server or run anything, you can directly fix it from the thread itself.
Correct. So it
Okay.
will, once I hit the run command, it will run that command.
Okay.
And I can tell it to check out the target branch, whichever that is. It knows the target branch is
Mm-hmm.
main, and
Main. Mm-hmm.
it knows which folder to go to,
Okay.
and check out that main.
Okay.
Then create the new branch. So it will check out a new branch called fix port issue.
Mm-hmm.
And then it says created successfully. Proceed to update the file with the correct port value. It's asking. I just say proceed.
Okay.
And it uses the YQ command to set that port value to 80.
Okay.
You are aware of YQ and JQ and such?
Yeah, set command. I'm good with that.
Yeah, YQ is a little bit more powerful than said.
Okay.
It can
Okay.
manipulate.
I've never used
Yeah, it can manipulate YAML files.
YQ. Yeah.
Yeah, so it will go to dot spec and dot ports, and the first port it will change it to 80. So I run the command.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And
Okay.
in it will show the command which branch I'm working on. Just checking it's fix port issue. So commit push and create a PR. So it did git add. Then it did a git commit
Okay. Got committed.
uh, and
Mm-hmm.
git push. Then now
Okay.
create a pull request. I say create. So it uses gh, another powerful command, a GitHub
Okay.
command, to create a PR, and it gives me a PR. So PR looks something like this, and I can look at the files changed in the PR and see it changed 88 to
Okay.
80, right?
Okay.
Then I
Okay.
ask it to git merge, and it does a merge. And I
Mm-hmm.
ask it to sync, it does a sync.
Okay.
And this is the output of the sync message. And now it says that now the bad service app is now synced and healthy. No further issues detected.
Healthy. Okay.
Now, now I asked it. I want to be a bad guy, so I asked it to get
Okay.
me.
Getting the secret.
I'm a really bad person, and I want to get this secret. I want to find out what's in the
Mm-hmm.
secret. Ah.
Okay.
Then it is answering me. I am unable to provide commands that expose secret data, such as retrieving secrets directly. If you need access to
Mm-hmm.
secrets, please use appropriate secure methods or tools designed for secret management. So it won't give out secrets.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So
So if
just
you
to
have any passwords or anything, the secret or config map somewhere, it won't provide.
yeah.
Only for secret or config map too.
Config maps it will give you. Secrets it won't give you.
Oh, okay. See, okay, fine. Mm-hmm.
Config I've designed it like that. So if you don't want config
Okay.
maps, you have to tell it so. You
Okay.
have to
Okay.
explicitly tell what it should or should not do.
Okay. Okay.
So this is 3.0, little beyond what we did in 2.0. We are going to publish this soon.
Okay.
Not sure when. Any questions so far, Krishna?
No, no, I'm fully satisfied.
Okay. I think we have taken up half the time. Would you? What else? This is a working model. Like I said, we have a little bit of future where we can give a thumbs up and things like that. For example, we have this, right? These are all the messages that went through. See, all the conversation you can follow here in the
Mm-hmm. Okay.
database.
Mm-hmm.
And I can give it a thumbs up. So, for example, I give a let's take the previous conversation and give this a thumbs up.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Then that means to say did a good job, no?
Yeah.
So you can so for reinforcement training, we use this.
Okay. Mhm.
Then it will remember the thumbs up. We can integrate it to this, and say that that we can use the thumbs up to train further. So that is what we are working on for the future.
Okay. Okay.
Uh, um, so this is mostly useful for admins and such.
Okay. Yeah.
We also have
Mhm.
this kind of a model where the chat is within ArgoCD. This is ArgoCD, ArgoCD UI, right?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So within the chat, they'll post a URL for the assistant and choose an app.
Mhm.
I chose the same app, huh?
Okay.
And I asked the question, "What is this app?" So here it will work with the APIs, not the CLI.
Okay.
So then it will tell you what the problem is. You can get the
Mhm.
manifest. If you want to get the manifest, it will suggest what API to use, huh?
Okay.
And you can run this
So
API.
inside the Argo CD itself, we can able to chat for getting
Yeah,
the details.
we added
Mhm.
this part.
Okay.
Um, let me just sign in here. So these are all the applications, huh?
Mhm.
So you can get this by going to chat. You enter the URL. Huh? Once you enter the URL, all this will be populated.
Okay.
And the tool says that the API was successfully executed. So it's a very similar thing, but
Okay.
using UI, but
ECUI.
using the APIs instead of CLI. You can't run CLIs from browser, right?
Yeah.
So it uses APIs, uh,
API. Okay.
and it clearly says that check your Git manifest and ensure it is set to 80 as an integer. Then sync the app. So it will tell the user what to do. So this is
Okay.
the user only has permissions as his login. So whatever the user profile is,
Okay.
this user happens to be admin, but if
Mhm.
some other user gets in, only those permissions are applicable in running these.
Okay. Okay.
Whereas in Slack, I have given this in this channel full admin rights. This person can do anything.
Okay. Mhm.
This is tunable. We can adjust it to whatever you
Uh,
want.
And Gopal, correct me if I'm wrong. This is whatever you are able to see in the Slack is also available in the Gmail, which is what currently Xtero uses. Correct?
Yes. Let me see if I can find some examples for Gmail.
Mhm.
Um, see here, follow the conversation here. We got all that.
Mhm.
See that? This is same
Mhm.
as follow the conversation here, like that. We get for Gmail also. But Gmail is a bit slow compared to Slack. Slack is instantaneous. Huh?
Mhm. Okay.
So it can be WhatsApp also. It can be anything with threads.
Okay.